Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a complete package for both beginners and intermediate players, featuring 2 paddles, 3 balls, and 1 bag. This bundle is designed to provide an excellent value while delivering top-tier performance for those looking to enhance their pickleball experience. The graphite paddles in the bundle feature the G4 Graphite face and the polymer RevCore technology. The G4 Graphite face offers a balance of lightweight durability and increased power, providing a responsive touch on both the forehand and backhand shots. This ensures that players can achieve optimal control while maintaining enough power for effective shots. The polymer RevCore construction helps to provide better ball control and comfort during play, reducing vibrations for a smoother feel. The 3 included pickleball balls are designed to meet the needs of both practice sessions and competitive play, offering durability and a consistent bounce. They are perfect for players seeking reliable performance whether they're practicing drills or engaging in a match. The bundle also includes a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to transport the paddles, balls, and accessories to and from the court. The bag is designed with plenty of room to keep your gear organized and protected. This Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is designed with affordability and performance in mind, making it a great option for those who want a well-rounded setup. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your game, this bundle offers excellent value and a quality playing experience with innovative paddle technology and reliable accessories. Number 2. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddles are high-performance paddles designed for players seeking both control and power on the court. Featuring a graphite face combined with carbon fiber technology, these paddles deliver excellent ball feel and precision. The graphite face provides a responsive, lightweight structure, ensuring that players can execute accurate shots with a good amount of pop, while the carbon fiber construction enhances durability and strength. The paddle features an optimized polypropylene core, which improves both power and control. This core helps reduce vibrations and provides a solid feel when striking the ball. Players will notice better ball control during both fast-paced rallies and soft-touch shots. The core also contributes to long-lasting performance, ensuring that the paddle maintains its structural integrity over time. Equipped with an ergonomic cushion comfort grip, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 ensures comfortable handling throughout long playing sessions. The grip minimizes hand fatigue and provides a secure, non-slip hold, offering enhanced control and stability. It's designed to cater to players who require a firm grip for precise ball placement without sacrificing comfort. Ideal for both beginners and intermediate players, this paddle combines high-tech materials with user-friendly features, making it suitable for players who value powerful shots and enhanced control. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is an excellent option for those looking to elevate their game with a paddle that offers a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and durability. Number 3. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Essentials pickleball paddles are excellent choices for players looking for durability and beginner-friendly features. Both paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which ensures a lightweight yet powerful response when hitting the ball. The fiberglass face enhances ball control and accuracy, allowing for precise placement during both soft and fast shots. Both paddles are equipped with a honeycomb polypropylene core, a popular choice for its ability to absorb shock and reduce vibrations, which results in a more comfortable feel during play. This core construction also contributes to excellent durability and consistent performance over time, making it ideal for beginners and recreational players who are looking for long-lasting gear. The Joola Stratos and Essentials paddles are USAPA approved, making them tournament-ready and compliant with official pickleball regulations. This makes them an ideal option for players who are serious about the game, yet still appreciate a paddle that's forgiving enough for beginners to get the hang of. For comfort, the paddles come with a comfortable grip that is designed to minimize hand fatigue and provide a secure hold. The grip ensures better control and precision, allowing players to focus on their game without worrying about slippage during intense rallies. Whether you're new to the sport or looking for a reliable, affordable option, the Joola Stratos and Essentials pickleball paddles offer a balanced combination of comfort, durability, and performance, making them perfect for players at any level. With their quality construction and USAPA approval, they are a fantastic choice for recreational play and competitive matches alike.